Hi, I'm Kristen King from the Investing Channel, and welcome to IPgO, the show where we take a look at the IPO world past, present, and future. IPO investors were looking at London again last week, and after the failure of the recent Deliveroo flotation, all eyes were on the debut of cybersecurity firm Darktrace, which came to the market at £2.50 a share, the equivalent of around $3.50. That price valued the group at around $2.4 billion, some $1.4 billion less than it hoped for when it started its roadshow that had been dogged by corporate governance and ownership issues related to the company's founder, Mike Lynch, who is fighting extradition to the USA concerning an alleged fraud. Investors in the secondary market were happy to overlook that association, and Darktrace stock traded up to £3.60, or just over $5 per share on day one, a 44% premium to the issue price that took the valuation of the business very close to the pre-IPO expectations. Darktrace's IPO can be considered a success that bankers Jefferies, Berenberg, and KKR Capital Markets can be justly proud of. Back on this side of the Atlantic, Hollywood leading lady Jessica Alba's Honest Company has sold 25.8 million shares at $16 a pop to raise $412.8 million. The issue price was just above the midpoint of the indicated price range and valued the clean lifestyle company at $1.44 billion. The stock will trade under the ticker HNST on NASDAQ. Once again, this deal was managed by Jefferies alongside Morgan Stanley and JP Morgan. In other news, sweet treat maker Krispy Kreme has signaled a potential return to the stock market. The company, which is best known for its sticky and very Moorish donuts, has filed paperwork with the SEC. The company initially listed back in the year 2000 and was a hot property until it became involved in an accounting scandal involving a string of money-losing donut emporiums. The business was taken private in a buyout deal in 2016. Fortunes have been improving for Krispy Kreme as a private company with sales increasing to $960 million across 1,500 retail units, many of which are located outside of the USA. It's too early to talk about the size of the issue or potential price points for an IPO. However, if the deal moves forward, it could prove an interesting test case for European owners JAB Holdings, who have a number of other fast food-related brands in their portfolio. No doubt Krispy Kreme's owners can expect phone calls from deal-hungry SPACs now that the donut is out of the box, so to speak. Asian lifestyle brand Onion Global has filed for an IPO and is expected to list on the NYSE. The business, which was founded in 2009 by former Procter & Gamble and Nike executive Kong or Kenny Lee, is a platform on which aspirational consumers in China and Southeast Asia can discover current and future fashionable brands. Onion Global has just over 4,000 such brands on its platform, spread across 23 product categories. The company, which is aiming for a market cap of $762.5 million, generated sales of $584 million and a net income of $31.9 million over the last 12 months. It will offer 12.5 million American Depositary Shares, or ADS, for sale at a price range of $7.25 to $9.25, which will raise just over $103 million. Each ADS represents the equivalent of 1/10 of a share of the company's Class A stock. The deal is being managed by a string of lesser-known brokerages led by AMTD, Hawtai Securities, Roth Capital Partners, Tiger Brokers, and Valuable Capital. New issue investors are also preparing for the latest direct listing, which should hit the NYSE in around 2 weeks. That's all we have time for today, but as usual, make sure you do your due diligence before making any investment decisions.